In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or edit or remove a column in Jira. If you look at my board, I'm on the backlog view. This is the active sprints view. So to edit your board or the column, you have to go to your backlog view. You go to these three ellipses here or these three dots and click on configure board. Click on layout and then click on columns. Once you're on your columns, you're going to see all the different columns that you have for that board and all the associated statuses that are related to the board. You have to make sure that every column that you want to have on your board has an associated status that is linked to it. If you do not have a status that is linked to it, you will not be able to see that column on your active sprint board, even if you have added that column. These are all the columns that I have on here. And if you look at the left-hand side, you'll see that I have statuses that have not been mapped yet to those columns, which means that whenever I create a column, I can always pick any of the statuses and match on that column. In order for me to add another column to this board, I'll go right here to the right-hand side. I have a free Jira, right? It might look a little bit different on your own board because you're using maybe a paid Jira that has more configuration. On my board that I've used in the past, paid boards, you'll find this on map statuses on the right hand side. And then you also see here that add column instead of the plus sign. They are all the same thing. So for me to add a new column, I'll go right here to this plus sign and hit create column, and then I'll add the name of the column. Now I already have, a column. Let me add one more column that I already have a status for. So let's do a column for blocked tickets. I'll type the name of the column that I want to have there, and then I'll click on add column. It already even automatically moved the blocked to the column. You see that? Wow, this is amazing. Before it wouldn't do that. You have to manually move that. These are all the columns that I already have here. So I've added the blocked column. So, but I don't want to have my blocked column after testing. In order for me to move the status all the way here, all I'll do is click on the status. Once I see that 5 fingers on it, and then I'm going to drag it to where I want it to be. So we have to do, we have in progress, you have blocked, we have dev complete, we have testing, and we have done. So these are all the different statuses that I have. You just have to make sure that whatever statuses that your team is using, it's actually part of the statuses mapped on the appropriate column on your board.